everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and today we are going to make beautiful flower arrangements out of these Dollar Tree boxes that look like gift bags. I just fell in love with them and I thought, let's make some beautiful flower arrangements for Valentine's. So what you'll need is some floral foam, and you will need to put that inside for that for the arrangement. Then you need some Excelsior or some moss. You can use either one. And Dollar Tree does sell bags of the Spanish moss as well as other kinds. And then we're just going to create a beautiful flower arrangement with a focal point being the balloons that Dollar Tree sells. This is the one that I chose, and you will put it in the middle of your box as I'm showing you here. So let's get started. I'm using glue. I'm using both white glue and some hot glue and my wire cutters. And I'm going to take my gift bag and I'm going to put the floral foam inside. Then I'm going to put glue on the top of the floral foam, probably white glue. And then I will put the moss on top of that. After you get your moss in, then you will start to build your flower arrangement. So put your balloon in the center. Decide which is going to be the front of your bag or box. And this one has a car and a truck. I chose the truck to be the front of my arrangement. When you put your balloon on, make sure you don't put the barcode to the front, and put a little glue in the straw here to help it secure the straw to the balloon, because sometimes they do fall out and you don't want that to fall out in your beautiful flower arrangement. Okay, once you get your arrangement how you want it, if you want to add a ribbon bow, go ahead and grab you some bow that matches your arrangement. This is pink burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to make a really cute bow and put a little white flower in the center of it and put it onto my arrangement on the box. You put it on a pick and then slid it in there. So you can see how pretty the arrangement looks, and you can rearrange your flowers however you need to make it look the way that you like. And it's just that simple. Let me show you the other arrangement that I made as well. Okay, here are the two arrangements that I made from the boxes from the Dollar Tree. They're really pretty, and just used a balloon as the focal point and used Dollar Tree flowers and put on a ribbon bow. So I hope you enjoyed this video, that it will inspire you to create your own arrangements using the Dollar Tree items or items that you have at home. Have a wonderful evening, and until next time.